Introduction. Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in Sweden. This Scandinavian gem is not just known for its stunning landscapes but also for its rich culture and history that dates back centuries. From the vibrant streets of Stockholm to the serene beauty of the Swedish countryside, Sweden offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition that captivates every traveler. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings, or standing in awe of the northern lights dancing across the Arctic sky. Sweden is a land of contrasts, where bustling urban life meets tranquil nature. With over 97,000 lakes and vast forests, outdoor enthusiasts will find endless opportunities for hiking, skiing, and exploring. But it's not just the natural beauty that draws visitors. Sweden is also home to a thriving arts scene, delicious cuisine, and a commitment to sustainability that sets it apart from many other destinations. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of Sweden's most popular destinations, as well as uncovering hidden gems that you might not have heard of. Whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of your next adventure, we'll provide you with insights and tips to make the most of your Swedish experience. So, get ready to discover the enchanting landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture that make Sweden a must-visit destination. Let's dive in and explore the best places to visit in this beautiful country. Stockholm, the capital city. Welcome to Stockholm, the vibrant capital of Sweden, where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. This stunning city, spread across 14 islands connected by over 50 bridges, is a treasure trove of iconic landmarks and cultural experiences. One of the must-visit sites is the Royal Palace, one of the largest palaces in Europe, where you can witness the changing of the guard and explore its opulent rooms filled with royal history. Just a short stroll away lies Gamla Stan, Stockholm's charming old town. With its narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and cozy cafes, Gamla Stan is a delightful place to wander and soak in the atmosphere. Here, you can visit the Storkyrkan Cathedral and the Nobel Museum, which celebrates the achievements of Nobel laureates. Stockholm is not just about its historical sites, it also boasts a unique blend of modern architecture and innovative design. The city is home to contemporary landmarks like the Ericsson Globe and the striking Stockholm Waterfront Congress Center, showcasing Sweden's commitment to modernity. Cultural experiences abound in Stockholm, with world-class museums such as the Vasa Museum, which houses a 17th-century warship, and the ABBA Museum, where fans can immerse themselves in the iconic band's history. Don't forget to indulge in local cuisine, from traditional Swedish meatballs to innovative dishes at trendy restaurants. Whether you're exploring its historic streets or enjoying its culinary delights, Stockholm promises an unforgettable experience that beautifully captures the essence of Sweden. Göteborg, the West Coast gem. Welcome to Göteborg, Sweden's second-largest city, where charm and vibrancy come together to create a unique coastal experience. Nestled along the west coast, Göteborg is renowned for its picturesque canals and beautiful parks, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and city explorers alike. As you stroll along the canals, you'll be captivated by the stunning architecture and lively atmosphere, especially in areas like the historic Haga district, where wooden houses and cozy cafes invite you to relax and enjoy the scenery. One of the highlights of Göteborg is its thriving food scene, particularly when it comes to seafood. The city's location by the sea means that fresh fish and shellfish are always on the menu. Don't miss the chance to visit the famous Fiskekyrka, or fish church, where you can sample local delicacies like shrimp, herring, and the renowned West Coast lobster. With a variety of restaurants offering everything from traditional Swedish fare to innovative culinary creations, food enthusiasts will find plenty to satisfy their taste buds. Göteborg is also a cultural hub, hosting events that attract visitors from around the world. One of the most notable is the Göteborg Film Festival, Scandinavia's largest film festival, showcasing a diverse range of films and providing a platform for both established and emerging filmmakers. This annual event transforms the city into a vibrant celebration of cinema, drawing film lovers and industry professionals alike. With its charming canals, delectable seafood, and rich cultural offerings, Göteborg is truly a West Coast gem waiting to be discovered. Kiruna, the Arctic wonderland. Welcome to Kiruna, a unique Arctic destination that offers an unforgettable experience in the heart of Sweden's far north. Known for its breathtaking natural beauty, Kiruna is a prime location to witness the stunning northern lights. As winter blankets the landscape, the sky transforms into a mesmerizing display of vibrant colors, captivating visitors from around the globe. Whether you're snowshoeing through the pristine wilderness or enjoying a cozy evening by a fire, the northern lights create a magical backdrop that will leave you in awe. In addition to its celestial wonders, Kiruna is a haven for winter activities. From dog sledding and snowmobiling to cross-country skiing, there's no shortage of adventure in this Arctic wonderland. Thrill seekers can explore the vast, snow-covered terrain, while those looking for a more leisurely experience can take in the serene beauty of the landscape. One of Kiruna's most remarkable attractions is the Ice Hotel, an architectural marvel made entirely of ice and snow. Each year, artists from around the world come together to create stunning ice sculptures and intricately designed rooms, making every visit a unique experience. Guests can spend the night in this frosty wonder, enjoying the surreal ambiance and the thrill of sleeping on ice. Kiruna is also home to the indigenous Sami culture, offering visitors a chance to learn about their traditions and way of life. Engage in experiences like reindeer sledding and traditional Sami storytelling, which provide a deeper understanding of this rich heritage. With its breathtaking landscapes, thrilling winter activities, and cultural experiences, Kiruna truly embodies the magic of the Arctic. Visby, a medieval treasure. Welcome to Visby, a captivating UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports you back in time to the medieval era. Located on the picturesque island of Gotland, Visby is renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture, featuring charming cobblestone streets, ancient stone walls, and historic buildings that tell the story of a once thriving Hanseatic town. As you wander through the town, you'll encounter stunning landmarks like the impressive St. Mary's Cathedral and the iconic ruins of the Church of St. Nicholas, each offering a glimpse into the rich history that defines this enchanting place. One of the highlights of visiting Visby is the annual Medieval Week, a vibrant celebration that brings the town to life with colorful costumes, lively markets, and thrilling jousting tournaments. During this week, locals and visitors alike immerse themselves in the spirit of the Middle Ages, enjoying performances, crafts, and delicious traditional foods. The atmosphere is electric, making it a must-see event for anyone looking to experience the unique culture of Visby. Beyond its historical charm, Visby is surrounded by breathtaking coastal scenery. The rugged cliffs and serene beaches provide a stunning backdrop for outdoor activities, whether you're exploring the scenic walking trails or simply relaxing by the sea. The combination of medieval architecture and natural beauty makes Visby a truly special destination. With its rich history, lively festivals, and stunning landscapes, Visby is a medieval treasure that invites you to explore and discover the magic of Sweden's past. Uppsala, the academic city. Welcome to Uppsala, a city steeped in history and renowned for its prestigious university, Uppsala University, which is one of the oldest in Scandinavia. Founded in 1477, this esteemed institution has been a center of learning and innovation for centuries. As you stroll through the university's beautiful campus, don't miss the enchanting botanical gardens, where you can explore a diverse collection of plants from around the world. The gardens provide a serene escape and a perfect spot for reflection amidst the vibrant academic atmosphere. Another iconic landmark in Uppsala is the impressive Uppsala Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture that dominates the skyline. With its soaring spires and intricate stained glass windows, the cathedral is not only a place of worship but also a symbol of the city's rich heritage. Nearby, you'll find Gustavianum, the university's museum, which houses fascinating exhibits that showcase Uppsala's history, including artifacts from the Viking Age and the famous anatomical theater. Uppsala is also known for its vibrant student life, fueled by the energy of thousands of students who call the city home. The presence of the university brings a youthful spirit to the streets, with numerous cafes, bars, and cultural events that cater to the student population. Throughout the year, Uppsala hosts various festivals and cultural activities, from music concerts to art exhibitions, creating a lively atmosphere that celebrates creativity and community. With its historic university, stunning architecture, and dynamic student life, Uppsala is a captivating destination that invites you to delve into Sweden's academic and cultural legacy. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Sweden, it's clear that this beautiful country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences for every type of traveler. From the vibrant capital of Stockholm, with its rich history and modern flair, to the charming coastal city of Göteborg, known for its delicious seafood and lively culture. Each destination has its own unique charm. We also explored the Arctic wonderland of Kiruna, where the stunning northern lights and the extraordinary ice hotel create unforgettable memories, and the medieval treasure of Visby, where history comes alive amidst picturesque landscapes. Finally, we delved into Uppsala, the academic city that blends scholarly pursuits with vibrant student life. Sweden truly has something for everyone, whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or relaxation. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations for yourself and experience the magic of Sweden firsthand. Each city and town offers its own story, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting travel insights and guides. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on your Swedish adventure. There's a world of wonder waiting for you. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.